We have here 8 chicken tenders, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, half a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, 2 egg whites, which I use as a glue to help the crumbs and the cheese stick to the chicken. For our seasoning, we have 1 teaspoon of adobo, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, some salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of cayenne, and we're going to mix these together.
In case you're wondering where I got these, I am a huge Tupperware fan, customer, and I got these. It's actually a stack of 3, 1, 2. They're stackables with the lid. I bought this set 15 years ago when I was stationed in California. I don't know if this classic set is still available. They just might be on eBay. Just like fashion, the trend of the plastic industry is always changing. But you definitely want to check out their website. I love Tupperware. All right, all done. No crumbs left behind. Let's drizzle some olive oil, and we're gonna roast these babies for 20 minutes. Can't wait.